Here divide 6x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 30. Divide it by 2x square minus x minus 6. Now here to divide we have to consider first term of this polynomial, that is 6x cube, and here first term of this polynomial, that is 2x square. Now see here, I am going to multiply by a number with this. After multiplying, I must get answer 6x cube here. So that number I don't know, I have considered just capital A here. So to calculate that, I am shifting to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division, 2x square. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 bases are same. So what I will do, I'll shift denominator to the numerator. When I'll shift, it will become minus 2. Now when the bases are same, what we will do, we will add the powers, right? Now to further calculation, let me open the bracket, plus minus minus 2 here, and here 3 minus 2, I'll get x raised to the power 1. So simply I'm just writing 3x here. Okay. Now 3x we have to write in the quotient place. Now see, 3 2s are 6, x square into x, I'll be having 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Now minus plus minus 3 into 1, nothing it is there, means there will be 1. 3 into 1, that is 3. X into 8, x, I'll get x square here. And minus plus minus 6 3s are 18x. Now we need to subtract. In the subtraction, second polynomial's terms signs it will get changed. Here it is plus, it become minus, minus to plus, minus to plus. Now see here, unlike signs, so after cancellation, after subtraction, I'll be having a 0 here. Now here it is having unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 13 minus 3, I'll be getting 10, and the variable x square, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign here. And see here it is also minus and plus, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 18 minus 3, how much I'll get? Sorry, 18 minus 13, I'll get, that is 5x, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Now let me take the next term down. Now what we did here, the same way we have to do for the here. Now here it is minus 10x square. Okay, so and here we have to consider the first term, that is 2x square. Again the same thing. Now to calculate the a value, I am shifting 2x square to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division, 2x square. Now see here, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, x square get cancelled. So a value we found, that is minus 5 here. What? Minus 5 here. Now minus 5 we have to write here, minus 5. Now see here, 5 2s are 10, minus plus minus, and here it is x square. Okay, minus minus plus 5 into 1, 5, and here it is x. Now minus minus plus 5 6 is 30. Okay, now we need to do subtraction. And the subtraction, second term's polynomial signs it will get changed. Now see here, unlike signs, so everything I can cancel here, and the remainder we will get here 0. We are done here subtraction. So we found answer 3x minus 5 here. Question number 14. Divide 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square minus 25c square by, divide by this polynomial 2a plus 3b plus 5c. Now to divide this polynomial by this one, I'm going to take the first term here, 4 square, and in this I'm taking the first term 2a. Now here to 2a I'm going to multiply by a number, and that number I don't know, I have just considered as a capital A. So when I'll multiply these both together, I must get answer as how much? 4a square here. Now to calculate a value, I'm shifting 2a to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division here. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here number, that is 2 we got, and here it is 2a, and here it is 1a. If I cancelled 1a, so I left with the 1a. So I'll be having 2a. Now this 2a we need to write in the quotient place. Now this term we have to multiply with this each term of this polynomial here. 2 2s are 4, a into a square. Later plus 3 2s are 6, and ab. Term variables are there, no? Next 5 2s are 10, plus sign, c into a, I'll just write ac here. Okay, and now we need to do subtract here, right? So in the subtract, second polynomial's terms signs it will get changed. So like here, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus here. Now 4a square minus 4a square get subtract, and we will get the remainder as a 0 here. Now ab like terms, so we can add or subtract here. So here we are having unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 12 minus 6, I'll be having 6ab, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Now here it is b square, and here it is ac. Both are different terms, so I'm going to write 9b square, and here it is minus 10ac separately here, and minus 25c square. I'll take this down, this term. Now, okay, this is b square, okay, here it is b square. Now in this polynomial I'm going to take a 6ab. Again, what we have done here now, same thing, 2a into a equals to 0, sorry, a 6ab, a equals to 6ab by 2a. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, a get cancelled, so a value we will get, that is 3b here. Now I'm going to write here plus 3b here. Now plus only, 3 2s are 6, and a into b I'll get ab. The next one is 3 3s are 9, and b into b, b square, that is, and with a plus sign. The next one is 5 3s are 15, and b into c I'll just write bc here. Again, here we need to do subtract, and the signs it will get changed to the opposite. Okay, now this get cancels, this get cancels. Cancel is nothing but here we are doing a subtraction here. Now I'm going to write this minus 10ac down here, minus 10ac. After that, this, let me write this one minus 15bc, and here the last term, that is 25c square. Now here in this polynomial we are having the first term, that is minus 10ac. Okay, again what we have used now, that only we have to use 2a in sorry, small letter a into capital A. To calculate the a value, I'm shifting to that side by 2a. A get cancels, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Okay, now here a value we found, that is minus 5c. Okay, minus 5c we will get. This minus 5c we need to write here in the place of quotient 5c. Okay, now start multiplying. Minus plus first, that is minus 5 2s are 10, and a into c, that I'll get ac. Later plus minus minus, and 5 3s are 15, b into c, that is bc. Next plus minus minus, 5 5s are 25, and c into c, that I'll get c square here. Now again in the subtraction we need to change the signs of the second polynomial's term. Everything it will get subtract here, and we will get the remainder as here 0. So we found the answer 2a plus 3b minus 5c here. Okay, question number 50. Here we need to divide this polynomial by this polynomial here. Now I am writing in this way, like from I'm starting with the highest power. So 6 raised to the power x. After that I'm having 4, that is minus 2x raised to the power 4. After that minus 8x cube. Okay, now we'll go to the x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, this number, I mean this polynomial, we have to divide by this one. Again here also I'm writing in the highest power, so it will be minus x cube plus x plus 4 here. Okay, now in this polynomial I'm going to consider the first term, that is x raised to the power 6, and here I'll be considering minus x cube here. Now see here, I'm going to multiply by a number. That number we don't know, that's why I have considered capital A. When I'll multiply this number with this term, no, I should get answer as a x raised to the power 6 here. Now to find out that value, I am shifting minus x cube to the right side. When I'll shift, it will become in the form of division, right? Now see here, both bases are same. Okay, that's why, and this power is greater than this. So in that case, I'll be shifting cube to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become minus 3. Now both bases are same, so we can add the powers, right? 6 plus minus 3. Now we will open the bracket for the further calculation. Plus minus minus 3 here. Now see here, minus x, 6 minus 3, I'll get 3 here. Okay, now this minus x cube I'm writing over here, minus x cube. Now I'll start multiplying minus x cube with each term of this polynomial here. Okay, now minus minus plus x cube I'll get, that is x raised to the power 6, because the bases are same, so we have to add the powers. 3 plus 3, I'll get 6 here. Now we will go to the next term, plus minus minus x into x cube, I'll get x raised to the power 4. Nothing it is there means there will be power 1. 1 plus 3 I'll get, that is 4 here. Okay, again I want to mention here 1. Okay, nothing it is there means there will be 1. Now we will go to the third term, plus minus minus 4x cube, that is. Now we need to do subtract. So in the subtraction, second polynomials terms signs it will get change here. Plus to minus, minus to plus, minus to plus here. Now here unlike signs, so it will get cancelled. I mean subtraction, we will get the 0 here. Now see here, unlike sign, so we need to do subtract. 2 minus 1, I'll get 1, and the variable we are having x raised to the power 4, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. Okay, now here, unlike sign, so obviously again we need to do subtract. 8 minus 4, 4, and the variable x cube, bigger number carrying the negative sign here. Now I'll bring these terms down. X square plus 8x plus 16. Now like this, we have to consider for x minus x raised to the power 4 here. Minus x raised to the power 4. Again same thing, minus x cube into a equals to minus x raised to the power 4 by minus x cube. Minus minus get cancels. Here 4 minus 3, I left with the only 1x here. Now I'm writing this x here, and here we got plus x. Okay, now again start multiplying. Minus plus minus x cube x, I'll get x raised to the power 4. Again nothing it is there means let me mention one, and if you are not written also no problem. Go to the next term, plus here x I'll get x square. I'm writing here that. Okay, and sign is plus here. Now 4 into x, I'll get 4x, and I'll get sign plus here. Okay, here we didn't get anything, simply I'm just mentioning 0 here if you are getting confusion. Okay, now here we have to do subtract, change the sign to the opposite, minus, and here it will become minus. Now this get cancels, and this get cancelled. Why? Because unlike sign, so obviously after subtraction we will get the 0 answer. Now here it is left minus 4x cube, and here we need to do subtract because it is having unlike sign. So after subtraction I'll be having 4x and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, and plus 16. Okay, now in this I'm going to consider the term that is minus 4x cube. Here we are having minus x cube. When I'll multiply with the a, I must get as a minus 4x cube here. Okay, now let me shift minus x cube this side. Minus minus get cancels, x cube get cancels, a we will get 4 here. Now this 4, that is plus 4 here. Start multiplying with the each term of this polynomial here. Minus plus, I'll get minus 4 into x cube, that is 4x cube. Okay, now to the next term, plus sign, 4 into x, I'll get 4x, plus sign because here it is also plus, 4 4 is 16. Now we need to do subtract. So in the subtract, again the term signs it will get changed. Minus 2 plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus here. So everything it will get subtract here, and the remainder we will get 0 here. And after after division we found the answer, that is minus x cube plus x plus 4 as the answer here. Okay.